In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the phone field format in an ActiveCampaign form. We'll start inside your ActiveCampaign account. From the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Website, then choose Forms. This is where all of your existing forms live, and it's also where you can edit how your fields behave and look. Find the form you want to work on and click the Edit button next to it. That will open the form builder. Give it a moment to load, and you should see your form layout in the main canvas area in the center of the screen, with a sidebar of options to the side. In that sidebar, click on Fields, and then make sure you're in the Standard section. From here, you'll see a list of common fields you can add to your form. Look for the phone field. Click and drag the phone field onto your form and drop it wherever you want it to appear. You can place it under name, email, or anywhere that makes sense in your flow. Once the phone field is on the canvas, click directly on it. This opens the Field Settings panel, usually on the right-hand side. These settings control how the phone number is collected and how it appears to your visitors. If you want to make the phone number mandatory, look for the validation area and check the box labeled Required. This is optional, but it's helpful if phone numbers are essential for your follow-up or verification process. Just keep in mind that making too many fields required can sometimes reduce form submissions, so use it intentionally. Next, look for the country code dropdown. To enforce a consistent international format, select the option that says Show Country Code Picker. This adds a small country selector to your phone field, so contacts can choose their country and enter a properly formatted number. It's especially useful if you have an audience in multiple countries or run campaigns that rely on SMS. You'll also see a placeholder field. This is where you can type an example format, such as parentheses around the area code and a standard pattern of digits. For example, you might enter something like 555, 5555, 5555. This doesn't validate the number by itself, but it visually guides your users so they understand exactly how to type their phone number. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right of the form builder and click Integrate, then choose Save and Exit. Your changes are now applied, and your form will start collecting phone numbers in the format you set.